One, baby.
Pick the one on top. Okay.
Like yucky?
Oh, that's yucky.
Like yucky?
That's yucky. Get the one on top, Bobby, not on the bottom ones.
No, yucky. This is.
Okay.
Rooster fell off.
I know. Alright, you show Daddy how you play it. Oh, that's cheating. Put it on 4 or 5. Okay, now back up. Do it again. Show Daddy how you do it. Do a single one. It's funny when she does a single one. Okay. Oh no, back up, Baba.
Go back
back
to
up. Back up.
Go back to 1.
Go back. Okay. No, not the stone. Not. Leave that there. Chloe, when you tell her to go back to 1, she thinks you gotta do that one as well. Okay, throw it on 5. You cheater. Oh well. Yeah, you drew something.
Don't.
Come on, do it again.
I get apple 8.
Okay, put an 8. That'll do. Now back. Chloe. Go back. You gotta start from number 1. You wanna watch Max and Ruby again, how they do it?
It's where we go.
Swiper.
Rabbit.
He's with Dora and Boots.
Rabbit.
Max and Ruby.
Okay. Okay.
No more hopscotch?
Happy high catch.
Sounds like high catch. Okay, come on, show Daddy one more time. He's gonna go back inside now.